Hello everyone, Dr. Bortolotti here with an explanation of this week's assignment on the APA. The APA stands for the American Psychological Association, and it is the standard by which all of your written work in college is to be done. It is a system that will show your professors where you got your outside sources, and it's also a system to use when you're writing an essay to give credit to your authors and to your sources. The APA worksheet assignment this week is designed to get you some experience in not only looking for sources, but also how to document those sources for a paper. So let me explain what this thing is all about. Okay, so this is the handout that is in this week's lessons. And the first thing you should always do is open it and save it as your own. So I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to come up here to File, Save As, navigate to where you want to save it, and then name it with your last name. In this case, it's going to be called Last Name APA. Right here. When you hit save, you'll notice now it is mine to change the way I want to change it. Just make sure you put your name here as well. Okay, so what's this thing all about? Well, this is an exercise in how to document these different source types. A source type being a category of source. For example, this is an article in a print newspaper, not an online newspaper. A print newspaper like the Journal Star, excuse me, the Chicago Tribune, stuff like that. Number 2 is an article in a print magazine like Time or U.S. News or People magazine, that type of thing. Number 3 is an article from an online news source such as CNN or Fox News or ABC News, something like that. And last is a book by one author. And that's the one I'm going to use for this demonstration. So you've picked out your book that you want to use for this assignment, and you come over to the the APA tool that I gave you in the lecture. And you can see there are a couple of tabs here that you can click on. Make sure you've clicked the right tab, in this case, Book. And so I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to use this book that we're reading for the class, Of Mice and Men. Notice APA doesn't care if you correctly capitalize these words. I'm going to hit Enter, and then I'm going to put in the name of the author, which is John Steinbeck. The publisher is Penguin Books, and it was published in New York City in the year 1937. And you come down here and you hit Enter. And there is your citation. You simply select that, you copy it, you come back over, and I use Control-C to copy. You can use the mouse to copy if you want. Come back over here to your document and paste the information there. Now, one thing I do want to point out, there is a glitch in the tool. See what it did? Instead of saying Steinbeck, comma, J, it says John, comma, S. So you may have to change that yourself. And there it is. There is your citation. All done automatically through the citation tool. And like I said, it will do a website, a journal article, a newspaper article, and a magazine article. So for this assignment, you'll be doing this tab, and this tab, as well as the book tab. And there you go. If you have any questions, you can come to class and ask me or email me. I'll be happy to help.